This project is PC based egg incubator parameter monitoring. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its data board along with power supply, 16:2 LCD display. DH11 temperature and humidity sensor connected to Arduino digital pins. Here using this DH11 we can read temperature and humidity. Servo motor controlled by PWM pin of Arduino. USB to serial adapter connected from PC to Arduino UART port. Here egg incubators are for hatching eggs. To perfect egg hatching we have to monitor temperature and humidity of environment continuously. If any changes in temperature and humidity we have to take action physically. Now power on this. Here egg incubators parameters displaying on LCD and this data will displaying on .NET software which is developed according to our requirement. Now we have to open the application. Here we have to select the comport option, comport 6, and baud rate is 9600. Now open. It is asking to save data in file. Please click on file button. Okay. Here we have to create new notepad file. File name is C. Select the file C. Enter. We can see here our project title PC based egg incubator and temperature humidity angle. Here eggs should move from -45 degrees to +45 degrees with some time delay. In real time it should move for every 1 hour. Here we make it as 10 seconds for demonstration. On LCD it is showing -45 degrees. Now it is showing in 0. We can see here also. +45 degrees. This all parameters data stored in .ext file. Now open it. We can see here all the parameters data along with time and date. This data will help us when human monitor not possible. Especially in night time, it is different to monitor physically. Here data stored with respect date and time. This data will help us to take further precautions.